So now that we've got two projects, A and B, that also means that when we go to analyze, we should now have some, turn off the data view. We should now be able to go to just the very top, and you can see we've got project A and project B. So let's go to project A. So there's a cost there. Hit the center comparison, and it will put it into the distribution comparison. So let's go in here. Let's go to reports, add new report. Open that at the bottom of the list. So project A v B cost comparison. So this is the one that we've got open. So that means that anytime you click on send comparison, that's where it will land in that report. If I was in one of my other reports from one of my other projects, that's where it would land. So you can see here we've got our P75. Project A is the comparison point. P75 is 7,033 for total project cost. If I go to distribution graph, this time I go to project B. You can see that shape moved, it changed there. Hit center comparison, and there's project B. So if I want to look at the delta, the difference at, say, a P75, there's $795 difference between the projects, or I could use the mean, the P1, the P100, whatever you care to particularly use. So it's very easy to create multiple versions of the project, dump them out into the Excel, and then re-import them. And then you've got different sort of scenarios for comparison purposes.
Cool. So you've used the distribution comparison. You're probably using it for the total project, and you're looking at the total project cost compared to a different version of the same project, or pre and post mitigated, etc. But actually, it also can be used for like little detailed scenarios where you just drill down into one portion of the project and ask a question, and you want to compare how that piece of the project looks under different scenarios, different influences, different risks. So that's coming up next, really, because you can take a scenario like the PMO and just look at how that could be perfected. So the next video in the series is going to look at a methodology of calculating the cost of PMO prolongation.